Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to add a new product to your system in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Products are the fundamental items in the system, and you can find them across almost all modules. Sales, purchases, accounting, inventory, and point of sale. Click on products from any module and let's go ahead and add a new product. You can now start filling in your product information. Upload a product picture. Add your product name, internal reference, barcode, and an internal note if needed. Move to the product organization and pricing section, where you can add the product category and product type. Edit the quantity on hand and update the sale price and cost. If you're selling this product, scroll down to the sales section. Edit the default tax. Choose the invoicing policy. Mark whether the product is a POS item or not. If it's available in POS, add it under a category. Add a sales description. This will appear on orders and invoices. If you're purchasing this product, scroll down to the purchase section. Edit the default tax. Choose the invoicing policy. Add a purchase description. Enter your supplier details, so whenever you create a purchase order for this product, the system will automatically fill in the order details. In accounting section, you can enter your income and expense accounts. Lastly, in the inventory section, choose your product tracking method. Enter the product weight and volume. And add default descriptions for delivery orders, receipts, and internal transfers. Everything looks good? Go to the top of the page and click Create to save the product. Want quick access to products? Use the quick links. Just click Product, and you can start adding products right away. And that's it, you now know how to add and manage products in Invent ERP. Thanks for watching.